Hey there, fellow investors. Today, we're diving into the world of Microsoft, a name that's pretty much synonymous with computers and innovation. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a tech behemoth, Microsoft has always been a hot topic on Wall Street. But is it the golden ticket for your investment portfolio? Let's break it down. We'll explore what makes Microsoft tick, why investors flock to it, and what the future might hold. Get ready for a wild ride through the ups and downs of this tech giant. So, buckle up and let's get started. We're about to uncover the secrets of Microsoft and whether it deserves a place in your investment strategy. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of investing, that's how you ring the register. Microsoft has a knack for making money, and that's music to investors' ears. They're like the reliable friend who always picks up the tab. You know they'll come through. This consistency makes them a darling of Wall Street. Investors love companies with a proven track record of profits and growth. But it's not just about the money, folks. Microsoft is also a leader in innovation, constantly evolving and adapting to the ever-changing tech landscape. From operating systems to cloud computing, they're always one step ahead, which excites investors looking for long-term growth potential. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and Microsoft is in it for the long haul. Now let's talk business literally. How does Microsoft rake in the big bucks? Well, they've got their fingers in a lot of pies. You know Windows, the operating system that powers most PCs? That's Microsoft. And who can forget Office, the go-to suite for all things productivity? Yep, Microsoft again. But hold on, there's more. Microsoft is also a major player in cloud computing with Azure, their cloud platform that's giving Amazon a run for its money. And let's not forget about Xbox, their gaming console that's a fan favorite worldwide. With such a diverse portfolio, it's no wonder Microsoft is a money-making machine. Microsoft is like the Fort Knox of the tech world, strong, secure, and built to last. One of their biggest strengths is their sheer size and scale. They're a global behemoth with a massive customer base and a brand that's recognized worldwide. This gives them a competitive edge that's hard to beat. But it's not just about size, folks. Microsoft is also a technological powerhouse with a long history of innovation. They've got some of the brightest minds in the industry working tirelessly to develop cutting-edge products and services. And let's not forget about their strong financial position, which allows them to weather economic storms and invest heavily in future growth. Now, before you go all in on Microsoft, let's talk about the elephants in the room, the risks. Even the mightiest empires face challenges, and Microsoft is no exception. One of the biggest threats is competition. The tech world is a dog-eat-dog world, and Microsoft is constantly battling it out with rivals like Apple, Google, and Amazon. Another risk is the ever-changing technological landscape. What's hot today might be obsolete tomorrow, and Microsoft needs to stay ahead of the curve to remain relevant. And let's not forget about economic downturns, which can impact consumer spending and hurt even the most stable companies. But don't worry, Microsoft isn't resting on its laurels. They're always looking for the next big thing, and they've got some exciting plans up their sleeve. One area they're betting big on is artificial intelligence, or AI. They're pouring billions into AI research and development, and we can expect to see some groundbreaking innovations in the years to come. Another frontier is cloud gaming. With Xbox Cloud Gaming, Microsoft is bringing the power of console gaming to any device with an internet connection. And let's not forget about their continued investments in cloud computing, augmented reality, and other cutting-edge technologies. Microsoft is shaping the future, and that's an exciting prospect for investors. So, what's the verdict from the experts? Well, Wall Street is generally bullish on Microsoft. Many analysts believe that the company is well positioned for continued growth in the years to come, driven by its strong cloud computing business, expanding software and services offerings, and innovative new technologies. Of course, there are always dissenting voices, but the overall sentiment is positive. Microsoft is seen as a relatively safe bet in the often volatile tech sector, with a proven track record of success and a bright future ahead. So there you have it, folks. Microsoft, a tech titan with a lot to offer investors. But before you rush out and buy a chunk of this tech giant, ask yourself a few questions. What are your investment goals? Are you looking for long-term growth or short-term gains? What's your risk tolerance? How much volatility can you stomach? And most importantly, do you believe in Microsoft's vision for the future? Investing is a personal journey, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Do your research, weigh the risks and rewards, and make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals. And remember, as always, I'm here to guide you through the exciting world of investing.